I studied in Belgrade medicine and graduated from there, from the University of Belgrade of Medicine, General Medicine. But I was a political and student activist. So from that time, I started to think in a different way. When I finished my school, my university, I started to think to study international relations. So I gained a lot of experiences. I attended different courses in Geneva and in Strasbourg, and I attended once in 1992 in Rio de Janeiro. It was the first summit of environment and sustainable development. So I think any diplomat is serving in Geneva, he will learn a lot. When here you have the future, ours is in Geneva. And to be a humble person is very important. And to have a lot of experiences and cultural background, it will be helpful when you are talking about your place and country. And it's very important on the bilateral also to have a minimum of economic experience and knowledge, because now this relations, the economical one, the trade and development and the SDGs that we are working for is very important. So, and the language skills is very important.